Life can feel like a struggle sometimes, like we have to fight against it and against conditions in order to be happy. But believe it or not, every aspect of us, every aspect of you is perfectly suited to be alive, perfectly suited, fine-tuned over, well, millions of years of human evolution, but you could say billions of years of universal evolution to be here now, alive, experiencing this moment. This is not an accident. We are, like I said, perfectly attuned, fine-tuned to be here experiencing this. And the thing that makes it feel so difficult is because we're often not living in line with our true nature. Our true nature unfolds with ease, is connected, is free. Yet we struggle with disconnection, battle, separation. So if we can sense the naturalness of our being and the natural, effortless way of being, we can find freedom. We can live in line with not just our true nature, but nature. We can recognize that we are a force of nature. This universe, every aspect of this universe unfolding in this moment and this moment and this moment is doing so effortlessly. It is like maximum application of all the forces and aspects of now unfolding with ease, interconnected, interrelated, uninhibited, free. Yet in our minds, we're like, no, I'm here and the universe is there. There is something out there that I in here need to battle against. So a good way to let go of this is to look to nature. Look at the natural world around you. Look at the sky. I can see the sky right now. There are clouds in the sky and they're unfolding exactly as they do, just at their own pace, with an almost infinite complexity of pattern and a depth of subtlety of movement. Now it might seem that, that's the clouds, but we are of the same nature as that. We are part of this living, breathing, unfolding universal moment. So when we see things like clouds moving in the sky or a tree blowing in the wind with its own subtle rebound and bounce and flexibility, that's what we are. We are this natural living world. And this universe unfolding in this moment and this moment and this moment is unfolding for us and through us. It wants to be, this universal moment wants to be experienced through this manifestation. And if we don't fight it, if we just lean into it a little bit and notice that this moment is taking care of itself quite naturally. We don't need to fight to make the sun rise. We don't need to change the seasons with a thought. We don't need to wrestle the grass out of the ground to make it grow. We don't need to replace the cells in this body every, 7 weeks or something? The entire body replaces all of the cells. We don't need to do that. It is happening quite naturally as us. This universal living, breathing moment is us. We are a force of nature, and this universe wants to live through us. We just need to get out of the way.